Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The market seems to be frozen again, something we have observed a few times this year already, quite a few times, more often than many wanted to, because it's just boring. It's just this corrective sideways action where you think, okay, these endless wave fours, when are they finally finished? Now, here's a similar situation as yesterday. We have the situation that either the yellow wave count here, the wave 4, is still extending higher. Ideal target for a wave 4 is still 1950 basically. It's just the ideal target for such a wave 4 in a WXY structure. And in such a wave 4, you often see price retrace to the 38.2 Fib level, which is that 1650 level. So 1650 ideal target. Do we need to get there? No, I mean, it already yesterday reached 1947, so it basically, I mean, actually, it's here 1649, right? So it just missed it by $2. I mean, in a volatile market, that is pretty accurate. So I'm very happy for it to be over at any time, this WXY correction, but obviously can't confirm it without a nice break below the support level down here. 1611 gave you that one, I think, yesterday or 2 days ago. And you can see how important those support levels are. The price just touched it, reacted quite aggressively and started to move up and has reached the ideal Fib target. Okay, so now it's all about just waiting for a reaction to the downside. Yes, the wave 4 could be finished, but it could also still extend higher. For example, a higher wave Y is absolutely possible. The problem in these corrections is you can get all sorts of wave counts. So I just normally show them for education. Yeah, don't try to trade every single wave in these corrections. It will not work because they just too often fail. That is just what they do. Yeah. Normally we don't need to dive that much into the microstructure, but obviously I want to explain what's going on here. And it is important to understand, okay, which levels have been reached and when is a pattern technically full. In my opinion, this is already technically full. I mean, it has reached, the important thing is also that here the last wave of the correction, in this case the Y wave, went above the wave W. That's a good way of normally completing a correction. But if I look at the subwave structures, yeah, it is possible that, for example, this WXY extends in a longer WXY. For example, here, this could have just been an A wave. The move down is now a B wave, and then the Y wave will go higher, because the Y wave is an ABC structure, right? That is absolutely possible. And then the wave 4 would extend higher. Not a problem as long as price stays below 1664. A sustained break above that level would, however, make me reinterpret the chart, as I already said over the last few days. The wave 4, could it be over already? Yes, it could be. But then obviously with the high yesterday, it would need to sit here, obviously, right? So these are the two versions. It cannot unfold really as a triangle anymore due to that wick to the upside. Bitcoin could still unfold as a triangle. Here it would likely just be some kind of a flat structure that's unfolding. And yeah, I think we just need to be watching for a reaction to the Fib levels here. Yeah, and ideally a break below 1611 to then reach the next Fib support at, no, it's not Fib support, it's structural support, 1591, 1576 and 1536. These are sort of the next levels to get to. And all eyes need to just be on 1611 in my opinion, and up here 1664, because a break above that level will indicate that this here is not a wave 4, but something else is going on. So sincerely hope we see a little bit of price action today. Don't forget that at 1650 there is a lot of resistance, and I showed you that looking at the volume profiles the last few days. Here you can see that's exactly at 1650. The spike of historical volume just makes it very difficult to get above. And yeah, we've seen these consolidation periods now for a while. Very, very boring, very frustrating, but it is unfortunately what it is. So can easily extend higher in an ABC structure. If it comes down from here, yeah, then the wave 4 has already topped. And however, I would need to see some kind of evidence like an impulse to the downside, which at the moment I don't see. So that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you can get access to our weekly live stream, Telegram and Discord, chat room access, signals and short-term market updates for gold members, and a lot of educational content about Elliott Wave and so on. And also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.